Howdy everyone, this is Graham Bynum with That Town 101. This is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Hey, I'm at the Gabriella in Dallas, Texas. The Gabriella in Dallas, Texas. This is a part 2 video. We've just seen in part 1 the kitchen and living room and the study of this one bedroom. This is a really cute floor plan. But now we're gonna see the balcony. So let's go check out this balcony. This is on the 12th floor. So keep in mind different views on different sides of the building. So this is the 12th floor. This is looking out, looks like over, there's a kind of a lawn out there. That's pretty cool. I love seeing that lawn. And this is the city itself. This is a great location. You're going to be right next to downtown Dallas. It's an easy access location, and you've got a really nice sized balcony too. So really pretty space out here. So that's part of this video, but now we're gonna actually go out and check into the bedroom. The bedroom is a great space, really cute, nice space in here. Really pretty bedroom. You've got good size. You could put a king in here for sure. Queen might work a little bit better, but you could definitely put a king in if you wanted to. And then here is the bathroom. The bathroom's really nice. This has a dual sink, so you got a dual sink. Really pretty mirrors, and then look at the separate shower and then that tub area, really cool. And then really nice size closet. The closet is really nice in here. And then of course you've got a stackable washer dryer. So pretty cool to see this. And this is a really nice. This is a really nice one bedroom with a study, and I think it's a great value. Also, this is a really good combination of good value and good just bling and the Gabriella. If you want to set up a tour, send me a text. Just use the number below. It would be a free virtual tour, or we can do a live tour as well.